Okay, I framed all this in, and now I'm getting ready to put the soffit up. Of course, I took all the pre-measurements and cuts and everything and made those already, so they should fit pretty good. Well, let's see. And there's a notch cut up there too, so I had to compensate for it. Looks like it fits pretty good. Okay. So there we go. Let's remove these clamps. Get my air gun out of the way first so I don't crash and burn it. There we go. I just got to put my trim up and then caulk it all in and paint it. There we go. Pretty tight, right on the money. Of course, new trims was put up. I attached it right up through there. That's where I joined it. Front fascia here. And of course I'll connect my gutter, weld that back together, and paint everything of course first. And then that's it. This corner is rebuilt. Okay. It's about 11 o'clock. I cut it open yesterday, and it took me about 2.5 hours to figure out how to make this thing work the first time. Because the one thing I didn't want to do is waste any lumber. So I measured 20 times and cut 1 time. That's pretty much how I did it. But anyway, that looks good. And it's stronger than the original build because I put a bunch of cross bracings in there where they only had one right in the middle, and it was a 2x4 laying on its side. And I, of course, stacked these horizontally and put four bracings in there. So that's a lot stronger corner than the original build, I promise you. Okay, you know what to do. Leave those comments, like, share, subscribe. But basic handyman work right there, carpentry. All right, I'll see you guys later.